Hello, Naval Ajmera, sir. Well, and also you have a YouTube channel. Okay. Few days back when we connected in a group session, after that, I checked out your channel. I think you're doing a great job. But for our viewers, I would like you to share a brief introduction of yourself. Then we are going to proceed with the session.
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me on your channel. So let's start with the introduction. So, as you already know, my name is Naval Ajmera, and I'm talking to you from Jaipur city, which is in Rajasthan state. And if I talk about my profession, currently I am working in a private limited company as an e-commerce executive. And apart from this, I am working on my communication skills as well. And simultaneously, I am running a YouTube channel where I post English conversational videos. So that's all about me, ma'am.
And do you also have passion for teaching English?
No, I'm I'm learning this language because I want to improve my communication skills and because I want to be fluent in this language or because of job and
Yes.
in professional life it is very necessary that you should have good communication skills or good language skills. So that's why I'm learning this language. Yeah.
Right, I do agree with that. And it's really wonderful that you're working on your communication skills. And I can see that you are pretty much fluent. You speak so well, and still you feel like you want to go on in this journey and become even better. That's really a good
Oh,
thing to have. Okay, so
oh,
for
thank you
me,
so
I
much.
think yeah, I can also introduce myself. I think you don't know much about me, so let me start with my
Yes,
introduction. My name is
yes,
Pooja,
yes.
and I'm a spoken English trainer at Ocean English Academy. Right. So you know about this platform?
Okay.
There's a YouTube channel by this name. So that's the platform where I'm currently teaching. And I have experience of around 2 years of online teaching and 1 year of offline teaching. Okay. Since beginning only, I was into this field because I really, love teaching. I think it was my passion and I enjoyed it already. So I made up my mind that this is what I want to continue for my whole life. I really love interacting with kids.
Okay.
Talking about my academic background, I have done my bachelor's in English literature. I've also completed my B.Ed, and I'm a certified IELTS and a TEFL trainer. So I have these two certifications under my belt.
Okay. I'm
And
so grateful that I'm having conversation you.
even I'm
So
very
I'm very grateful.
grateful. Yes. Because as I told you, I love connecting with all sorts of people, whether they are beginner, intermediate. But very rarely it happens that I get a chance to connect with some advanced learners people, so some very famous speakers. So I really feel very grateful that we are both connected today. And yeah, I
Yeah.
forgot to mention that I'm from Delhi.
Oh, you're from Delhi.
So I'm from Delhi.
Are you from uh, like like main Delhi, from main Delhi?
Yeah, I live near Karol Bagh, and I was very close to
So,
them.
yeah, I have heard about this place many times in YouTube videos, in blogs, in Karol Bagh. Yes.
I can't disclose the entire location, but I can just
No,
give you a rough idea.
I'm not. No, I'm not asking. No, please. No, I'm not asking. I'm just saying that I have heard many times about this place, Karol Bagh, in videos, in YouTube vlogs. So that's why I'm telling. You.
Yeah, I think it's quite a famous place. And but my hometown was Gwalior. It's in MP. So basically, I have lived many years in MP state. I've lived in other cities as well because my father was in army, so he used to get posted. So I have traveled to so many different states like Maharashtra. I've lived in Nasik. I've been to Jodhpur also, which is in Rajasthan. I've been to Pathankot also. So because of my father's job, used to get
Ah,
transfers after every 3 years. And then I shifted to Gwalior when my father took retirement. We shifted to Gwalior. There we lived, I lived till 2025, February, and then I got married, and then I am staying here in Delhi. So it's just been six
oh,
months. Delhi is quite new to me. I'm exploring different things.
okay.
And
Amazing.
I live here with my joint family.
Amazing, man. Amazing. Nice. So I just want to ask you, apart from teaching, what else do you do? What are your hobbies?
That is very difficult thing you have asked because seriously, I feel like my hobbies have just You know, with age, I don't usually spend much time on my hobbies. Earlier, I used to love listening to music, watching movies and everything. I used to do painting and everything. But now onwards, all I get time is for the household chores. And once I'm free with that, I feel so relaxed. Okay, I can take a deep breath. I can relax now. And then I start with my classes and all. So my day is, so packed with the chores and with my work that I hardly get any time to pursue my hobbies. But I love
Mm.
listening to music. I love watching movies, listening to music and watching movies at times. And apart from that, teaching is my passion and my hobby, everything. I feel so, I don't feel it's a job for me. I enjoy it thoroughly. So, yes,
Okay, you like teaching that.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
very
So
much.
I want to ask you uh, like do you have interest only in English subject, or is there any other subject which you like to
Uh,
teach?
Mostly English is where my entire day revolves around. But English, like I never thought that I would grow up and become an English teacher. Never. But it was I was a science student, you know,
Okay.
and I thought of becoming a doctor. So I
Okay.
even joined the medical coaching institute. So that was plan A. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. I failed at it. So again, I was thinking, what should I do? What's next? So I realized that there's only one thing that I feel I'm good at, and it's my strength. I can help people. So then, whenever I used to, in the lockdown, I started improving my English. Earlier, I was not that fluent. I could understand, but I could just, barely speak. So in the lockdown, I decided I'm going to become fluent in this language and be a good speaker. So I joined various group meetings and I, interacted with so many speakers. So that's when they told me I speak so well. And then I realized, okay, I speak well. That means maybe I can, help others to learn English. So that's when, I started offline teaching. Since then, I think it's been a very fulfilling journey. That's why I'm not thinking of changing it anything. But
By
in
the
my
way,
school
I
time,
must
I
say that.
was, as you were
Yeah,
asking
yeah.
about my subjects, in my school time, I was interested in maths. I was interested in social science, everything, biology. So in my school time, I've studied everything. And I was, like, I would say not average, quite good in other subjects as well. But I used to score good marks in English without even, preparing for the exam. So that was my strength since the beginning.
Okay. Okay. And I didn't like math in my school days.
Right?
Yeah, I hate math because I don't understand too much.
Yeah, after 10th standard, maths gets really tricky. Even I did, that's why I thought that I'll pursue a medical field rather than the engineering field. So, yeah.
Mm.
You tell me what are your hobbies and what you love doing in your free time.
Okay. So these days, I am learning this English language. I'm working on my communication skills. So you can consider it as a hobby. And apart from this, I'm learning digital marketing. Uh, so because I'm like into e-commerce. So, I really want to start my own like startup. So I want to sell products online through there are various marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. So I'm already selling on those marketplaces, but for someone else, not for me. Yeah, because I run social media ads, Google ads, or promotional ads on like those marketplaces. So and yeah, so I want to start my business. So that's why I'm learning digital marketing as well, so that I can brush up my skills and I can get good results in less amount. In yeah, so yeah, I'm learning basic things or like deep strategies how they execute and apart from this, I like cricket. Oh, I love watching cricket. Yeah, in my free time. Yeah, I watch cricket.
And my husband is a huge cricket fan. And that's what he does in his free time. Watching cricket and, Either sometimes he get times, so he gets times, so he goes out to play with his friends. Otherwise, he's just thinking about cricket. So he loves singing and cricket. These are two his hobbies.
Earlier, earlier I used to play cricket when I was not doing a job. So earlier I used to play cricket, but since I started working, so yeah, I don't get too much time to play cricket.
Life
Yeah,
gets
I
really
get
very.
yeah, and yeah. So I watch cricket, but like whenever is there any uh, international matches going on, so I watch.
Even he made me gain some interest in cricket. So whenever there's a match for me, even I started understanding like how it works.
Earlier,
Um,
I did not understand cricket at all, but when I started watching, so gradually I got to know that yeah about cricket.
okay. And do you have a YouTube channel also?
Yes, ma'am. I have a YouTube channel where I only
By what
post
name?
like conversation videos. Yeah,
What is the name of your channel?
it's my name, Naval Ajmera.
And you mostly post conversation videos, right?
Yes, yes.
That's really great.
And what
And
about you? Like apart from like you also upload conversation videos. Like so
yes,
do you
yes,
also upload anything else apart
yes.
from?
Earlier, I used to make shorts related to grammar topics, any vocab, anything that would come to my mind. Yes, as you know, I love teaching, and I whatever I feel, this content might be interesting for them. So
Okay,
I still
okay. And one thing I must say that you started your language learning journey during Corona time. Okay, so I think you have improved a lot. Yeah, I think because your English is so good.
yeah. Thank you so much for your appreciation. It was not majorly on in lockdown. Earlier, also I was good at it, but I used to hesitate a lot when it comes to speaking. I used to fumble. I used to take pauses. So it just made me gain confidence because I
Okay.
in lockdown we didn't have any friends. We couldn't go out. So what to do? To utilize your time something productive, right? That's how I dedicated more
Mhm.
time. That's
So in your family, like how many members speak in English language?
no one. You'll be shocked to know I never got an environment where I could practice. That is why I
No
have
one
to find
speaks.
people online. I have to find people online with whom I can.
Okay.
Yes.
And what? And now, like, what about now? Like, do they speak in English with you, or do they only speak in Hindi language?
They only speak in my native language. That is, I sometimes practice
Okay.
with my husband, but after some time, we just come back to Hindi again. So there's no point. We can't continue for too long. So with our friends and family members, it's never a good idea to practice. Trust me, we should always practice with someone else. It could be some strangers, some co-learners. Like we have a group. So with them, we can be a little serious or English.
Ah,
Otherwise, with our
like even
family
when
members,
we
it's
do
always
practice with family members, we make fun of on each other, and
they speak very
like
weird. Some different kind
yes,
of English. So,
different kinds of yeah.
so
You are
it's
right.
funny actually. Yeah. Sometimes
Mm.
he tells me, okay, now I want to learn it, really, improve myself. So now you are going to talk to me in English. I said, okay. And after a few minutes, he just, do something funny. And I say, no, I can't teach you. Uh,
Okay, nice.
yeah, that happens. And what
So
about you? How you practice majorly? Do you have an environment at home or do you also learn online?
same here. Like I don't have environment at home, so I whatever I I do like through like by using my mobile. I like use my mobile phone to learn this language, or I watch in like podcasts and interviews. These days, I'm watching news channels a lot. News channels, like geopolitical, news channels. So I like about what is going on in the world. So I
You
watch
have very
YouTube.
diverse interest, you like to digital marketing, to watch your political news. So you like to update yourself with the current affairs, right?
Yep. because I like to, yeah, these days, like China, India, and Rus, like these kind of things are going on. Like, so I
Yes,
like
yes.
to,
Even I saw. I think Putin visited America recently.
uh, Putin
A lot of
visited
things.
in the like United States, and I think that conversation